friends, it's Miss Elise, ready for a story? This one's called Sweet Summer. Summer has come. The sun is shining bright. The air is hot and sticky. Goodbye coats and hats. Hello sunscreen. Rub it into your skin. Now we're ready for summer fun. Let's have a picnic at the park. Sandwiches, watermelon, lemonade. Ants? Shoo, bugs! Tap the ants to make them go away. Now let's fly a kite. Up, up it goes. What else do you see in the sky? Pretty butterflies. Will one sit on your hand? Now let's go to the beach. Swimsuit, hat, sunglasses, all ready. We can build a giant sandcastle. And then knock it down. Smash! Or we can collect seashells. Riding a bicycle is lots of fun. Remember to wear your helmet. Playing ball is fun too. If it gets too hot, you can play in a pool or eat an icy cold ice pop. Yum! Now it's getting dark. Touch the twinkling fireflies. Boom! What's that loud noise? Fireworks! Look at all those pretty colors. Summer days are long and fun, but soon school will start again. And autumn will be here. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Bye!